In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable inverted controls in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, so let's get started. So you need to press the Start or Option button on your controller, or press Escape on your keyboard. This will open the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, navigate to Controller Settings. At the top of the Controller Settings screen, select Aiming tab. Scroll down until you find Lock Inversion. By default, this will be set to standard. Select the Allow next to it and change option to inverted. If you want full consistency, you can also set the falling to inverted, like aerial controls, third-person control, ground vehicle, and wingsuit control. This is completely optional and comes down to personal preference. So once you have applied these settings, inverted controls will be active immediately, and that's it. That's how you can enable inverted controls in Call of Duty Ops 7. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.